In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the lesser known breastfeeding facts. Fact number 1 is that breast milk changes according to your baby's needs. The composition of breast milk changes based on baby's age, time of the day, and even during a single feeding session. For example, morning milk is more watery and hydrating. Evening milk contains more melatonin to help your baby sleep. Milk during illnesses has more immune boosting properties. It's like nature's personalized prescription. Here is a fact I bet you didn't know: a mother's body can actually detect baby's illness through saliva. When a baby suckles, tiny amounts of saliva are absorbed through your nipple. This signals the mother's body to adjust antibodies in the milk, specifically for that infection. Your breast milk is literally a living adaptive immune system. Another fact is that breastfeed babies may poop less after 6 weeks, and that's normal. After 6 weeks, breastfed babies can go several days without pooping because breast milk is so efficiently absorbed. There's very little waste left. As long as your baby is feeding well and gaining weight, it's not constipation. Dear mom, did you ever wonder why you produce more milk at night? Well, the fact is that thanks to a higher prolactin levels at night, milk production peaks during the night hours. This is exactly why cluster feeding in the evening boosts your supply for the next day. Night feeds aren't just normal, they are nature's way to build your supply. Another important fact is that the size of your breast doesn't affect milk supply. Milk making capacity depends on glandular tissue, not breast size. Small or large, all breasts can produce enough if they are emptied regularly and stimulated often. It's never about the shape, it's about demand and response. An important tip for all mothers is that you don't have to literally wait until your baby cries to offer your breast. Try dream feeding during light sleep cycles. Remember, light sucking builds supply and also soothes your baby back into deeper sleep. It works beautifully in those first few weeks. If breastfeeding feels hard, it's not because you're doing it wrong. It's just because it's new for both of you. You and your baby are both learning together. Every feed isn't just nutrition, it's bonding, it's trust, it's two hearts singing to the same rhythm. So on the days you feel sore, tired, or unsure, remember, you're not failing. You're feeding with love. You've got this, mama, and I'm here for every step. If this helped you feel calmer and more confident, hit like, subscribe, and drop a heart in the comments so I know you're here and I'm with you.